Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time. It's only been 3 months, but I'm back and I'm here to show you how I got this smoky soft glam look. But yeah, I'm sorry I've been gone for a bit. I was going through some stuff. I think like we all do, and I feel like I just needed to really like find myself again, and I wanted to only make content when I was genuinely happy and not when I was actually in a bad place. But I'm doing much better now, and yeah, so if you like to see how I get this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna be doing is priming my lids. I already did my eyebrows because I think I have a tutorial up already, if I'm not mistaken, and nothing's really changed. I did change the product that I've been using though. Instead of using the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, I've been using this Maybelline one because it's so much cheaper and it's just as good. So yeah, and I already moisturized my face using the Pond's cream and then putting a little bit of Aquaphor under my eyes because I do have some dry under eyes or whatever. But yeah, so I'm gonna be using my plouise base in Rumor 01 right here, and I'm gonna be applying that with a Morphe M224 and then just blending it out with my Morphe M173. I don't even know if you can see that because my chubby fingers. Now that I'm done applying my eyeshadow primer, the next thing I'm going to be doing is going in with my Jaclyn Hill palette right here. It's a little bit beat up. I actually haven't used it in a long time because I haven't been doing colorful looks. But that's besides the fact. I'm going to be going in with my Morphe M573 right here. It's just like a little tapered blending brush. And then since it is like a soft glam look, I do want to go in with softer colors instead of going so like harsh. So I'm going to be going in with this one right here. And that one is in the color Silk Cream. And I'm just going to grab a little bit of that in my blending brush. Pat that out, and then I'm just gonna put that as my crease shade and blend it out so it can give like a really smooth finish. And also tip with the plouise, since it is kind of thick, you do want to pat your eyelids out right before you do put any color down, just because you don't want the color to crease, because once those creases are already set, you can't really go back. Yeah, I feel like now that I haven't done videos, I feel like I can't really talk like a cat's got my tongue or something. So sorry if this seems kind of chuek or whatever. But anyways, since I already have that shade that I popped in my crease, I kind of want like a white base for the lid, but I don't want to put white because it's really prominent. And since we are going to be doing like a soft glam look, I want it to kind of be like a transition. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my, my face powder that I use for my face, since it is kind of like a cream color. And this is the Fit Me one in 220. And I'm just going to pop a little bit of that on this like little flat brush. And just put that on my lid, just so I can set it so it won't be so sticky. And it'll give you color, but it won't be like super white. It'll be kind of like a cream since it is skin tone colored. So it won't give you too much pigment. It'll kind of just look like the hollow of the eye, you know what I mean? And there I have it. It kind of just looks the same, but it really isn't. I swear it makes a difference doing that. Okay. Now that I put that like little cream color from the powder that I usually use on my face, the next thing I'm gonna be doing is going with the darker shade on the outside of the lid, just right here. Kind of bringing it in, but not too much. I'm not gonna be using like regular eyeshadow just because I feel like sometimes it's a little bit too pigmented for what I'm going for, especially the soft glam look. I'm gonna just be using another Fit Me powder, and this one I actually use as bronzer. So if you already have this color, or like for a bronzer, if this is your shade, it's honestly multi-youth. So you get your money's worth. Anyways, I'm gonna be going in with this Morphe M456. I don't even know if you can, right there. This one's kind of like the first one, but this one's a little bit more like rounded out and a little bit flat, so you can actually really pack that color on instead of like that one. That one's just more like blending it out. This is more precise. And then I'm gonna grab a little bit of my brush, and it kind of looks like the first color we have down, but it's a more deeper shade. So then when I get that on my brush, let me get my mirror open, I'm just gonna pack that right there on the outer crease. And kind of just pushing it in, because I realized like a trick, if you want the like outside to look a little more darker, pushing it in really does help, especially to deepen the color if it's not as dark like how it looks in the pan. And then I'm just gonna smoke that out, just blend that right there. And now that I have that side done, you can't really see with these lights, but when I'm done, I can go in some like normal lighting and you can see when everything's finished to see what the look actually looks like. And I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side. So there it is with the eyeshadow. I'm just gonna go back in with this little brush that I was using earlier to pack in the crease color, and with nothing on it though. And I'm just gonna blend this out from the inner corner to the outer corner, just kind of smoking that out, blowing it out. So it looks like it's from within, this little brown pukey shade. Now that I have my eyelids done, I'm gonna start smoking them out, kind of like an eyeliner, but I don't like doing the whole like the wing thing because I feel like it's not for me. If I'm gonna be doing a wing, I want to do like an actual wing, so I'm just gonna be using like a kohl pencil. This is the one from Maybelline. It's Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil Liner and in Deep Onyx. I would have used a brown, but I don't have a brown. That, and I honestly prefer the way that black pops out more. That, I'm going to be smoking it out with brown eyeliner anyways. So, yeah. And if you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm sharpening my pencil. Because I haven't sharpened it, and it's all like weird. Okay. So now that I got that done, you know, basics 101, just draw a straight line and then smoke it out. I'm gonna do this off camera because I can't really do this like the eyeliner while I'm holding a mirror. So I'll be right back. So now that I finished my eyes, as you can see, all I did was use that Maybelline kohl pencil, just like a line, like I said before I did it, and then I just smoked it out using the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes, and I used the Peach Tart, this brown color right here, and I did that. I wanted to make it smoky but make it soft glam. Yeah. And then the eyelashes that I am wearing are my all-time favorites. They're from Cavallilash. These ones right here in the style C4. I'm not sponsored, but if y'all want to sponsor me, my links will be down below because these are my favorite eyelashes and I would not mind sponsoring them. But anyways, I'm going to do my foundation routine and everything like that, all that good stuff. If you guys would like to see how I do my new foundation routine, then like and leave a comment down below if you'd like to see that. But yeah, so I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. If you'd like I said earlier in the video, if you'd like to see my foundation routine and how I do that, because that's a little bit updated, then just like and leave a comment or something. And then I already said what I did for my eyes. The only thing I'll say that I did for my lip is I used the Fenty Beauty Diamond Milk. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll be out with another video next week. Like, subscribe, share to your dog, your parents, your friends, dog's parents, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll see y'all later.